Hey, what's up, everybody? I'll be doing a weekend analysis on Bitcoin. Um, just to let everyone know that I'm doing this every single day. Bitcoin analysis, full rundown, and potential trades as well to do. What I'm doing is some smart money concepts, and that's how I view the market. I analyze where we are in markets and look at possible outcomes of possible trades that are happening sometime soon, and sometimes to do some trades here and there. So let's get it started. Here, as usual, I have my MACD strategy. It's if weekly is on the red here, and my daily's in the red, I'm out of the market. I am not looking for any trades. And this is the macro view of the market. So that's one thing. Now I'm going to go on the my swing strategy. So here daily, same thing as yesterday. I am expecting like a small pullback like this, like here. Uh, where? I have no idea where, but my plan is to go in this area here, and especially in that area, um, because our bullish break of structure means to want to go in the daily point of interest here. And my future outlook is, well, I'm looking for this, but also in the long term I could be looking for this, because this is the discount of the bullish break of structure. So this could be the case here. So now let's see what happened here. I'm seeing little bits of on the daily. I mean, I'm seeing like quite of a liquidity grab here. It looks like quite the grab. It's on the wick as well, so it's pretty big liquidity grab. So I see that happening at the moment, which is why I'm expecting a small pullback. But nonetheless, still expecting to go in this area. So 4 hour chart. Yeah, so I'm expecting to go in this point of interest. We are bearish. Order flow is bearish, so we are looking for shorts. We are in a bullish break of structure, so it means to want to go up here. So if we surpass this point of interest, then my expectation is to try and hit the all-time high. So that is my 4 hour outlook. It's quite of a big gap between the daily and the 4 hour. But you never know, so the 4 hour can actually react and head to its all-time highs. But honestly, I'm looking for shorts at the moment, and very small longs, like here. And I'll show you that on the 15-minute chart. So yeah, here we have a point of interest right here inside of a daily point of interest. So I'm kind of expecting it to fall here at some point. When? I don't know. So 15 minute. So here we go. So yesterday I put down a trade saying that we are in a bearish break of structure on the 15 minute, so we're looking for shorts. But we just started the break of structure, and when we start a break of structure, which is here, we're waiting for a pullback. So like for example, let's go here, boom. So I printed a break of structure, and when I print a break of structure, which is here, this line, I put my range all the way to the highest top of that structure line. So not here, here, not there, there. So I put it, and I look for a potential up. Then if price move down, then I put down my range. And I have a shock, and now I'm waiting for what I call the pullback. So let's see what's up. So here I'll make a template on my range, and I call it pullback. So here is kind of like a fib. So 1 0, and I have the 0.3, which is if the range has retraced 30%, so 0.3 of the whole range. So if it's retraced, then I stop my range. I stop moving it. So I stop moving it down or something like this, right? So it hit my range, and now let's try and go back to it. So it almost hit my range again, but it hit my range once, which is fine, but it's gonna hit it twice. It almost hit it. So here, anyways, so my range stops here, so I'm gonna go back to my range M15. So now we're gonna dissect the trade I talked about yesterday. I couldn't take it because it was midnight and I went to sleep. I was asleep, but that's what I was expecting, and I said here I'll show everyone. So here we had some fair value gaps here that have been pointed out, so I laced out a 15-minute point of interest, and here almost hit it, and almost hit it. Okay, now it got filled. So it got filled. Okay, so yesterday I mentioned that you should put your stop loss here. I also mentioned that you can put your stop loss there, but you're playing the gambling. You're doing some gambling here. And if so, you would have gotten stopped out by a liquidity grab, by a sweep. Of course, that happens a lot. And we are still in a bullish structure, a bullish order flow. Sorry, we're still in a bullish order flow, and here we can start seeing. Like, let me just make it look better here. Here we can start seeing points of interests. Here we can start seeing points of interests that are slowly going up. So stairs, a stair here, there might be another stair going down. So that's an indication that there's an uptrend happening here. And what I said is, put your stop loss here, not there, here on the liquidity grab, on the sweep here. So here, let's go and let's ride the wave. There we go. So here we have another stair happening. So they're points of interest that are happening as we're going up. So what happens there is that we can anticipate a an uptrend that is much more consistent. So let's watch the trade. There you go. Ooh, that could have been a great trade here. Like here going inside here and even going below this point of interest and then trying to hit. You see, so this trade, if you were like in the moment, it would have been nice because you would have gotten like a 3.5 R trade. While like the trade I was going for, which was more of like a trade, well, I'll put an alert there, and like let's say I put a limit order there, and I put my stop loss right here and aim for my point of interest. Okay, great. That's cool. Uh, I could have also do a manipulation leg, which is something like this. So this is, yeah, this is a big one. So here I have a manipulation leg, and most of the times I target like 2.5 and 4, which is quite of a lot for a short, for a long. So I was like, I can't be in like a bearish like time frame market structure and do the manipulation leg. So I wouldn't be doing that. I would just like target like points of interest here and there, do like small trades and whatnot when I would be opposite of the market structure, the higher time frame market structure, that is. So let's look it up. So up, there you go, and there you go. So your target would have been hit right here. This was my trade right here. So I am happy that that happened. So boom, hits my target, and there you go. Now we have some, I'll actually put this as a, there you go. So yeah, that's my analysis for the day. So as at the moment we're still in a, actually I didn't put this right. Oh god. 761.8. All right. There you go. So that's my 4-hour point of interest. So yeah, so that's my analysis at the moment. If you really enjoy the content, just please like and subscribe if you really like it. I would really enjoy it. I'm really enjoying doing videos like this, so they help me help everybody to know where we are in markets. So yeah, so yeah, everybody should have a nice day and enjoy your weekend. Okay, goodbye.